If he can fix this severely broken crane arm, he will become the head of this repair shop, and his monthly salary will increase to $50,000. First, he supports the crane arm with a stand and scrapes off the surface oil. Then, he uses an acetylene torch to cut off the severely deformed part. He adjusts the direction of the crane arm with a manual hoist and places 2 pieces of scrap iron on the deformed part. Using a press machine, he corrects the deformed part. After that, he cuts off the corrected part with an acetylene torch. He marks the old steel plate and cuts off the 4 corners along the lines with an acetylene torch. He measures the damaged area and installs a fixing plate on the side. He places the steel plate in position, adjusts it with tools, and welds the gaps around it to integrate the steel plate with the crane arm. Next, he adjusts the crane arm, cuts along the damaged lines, and knocks off the damaged part. He then fills it with a new steel plate, seals the gaps around it with electric welding, and smooths the weld marks with a grinder. He heats the protruding edges with a torch to soften them and flattens them with a hammer. Since there is no space for adjustment, he welds a handle on it to facilitate steel plate adjustment and then welds it in place.